So here we go. I had a question about the keychain cost. A bunch of people didn't finish it because they didn't know how. Not a problem. I can show you how to do that. So what I've done here is I've opened it up and I've opened up this keychain cost calculation spreadsheet. You can do this on an iPad. It's a little different than a computer, but you can still do it on an iPad. So you should have something like this. We as a class came up with the cost of a spool of the 3D printer plastic was $63. And our cost per gram of material, because the spool is weighed out in how many grams are in it. The cost of the spool divided by the 900 grams in the spool would give us our cost per gram. That's how much each gram of material would cost. So instead of taking the 63 and dividing it by 900, I'm going to use Google Sheets here to do the math for me. And the way I do that is with an equal sign in my formula bar. So I'm going to press equal sign. I'm going to take my cost of my spool, which is whatever's in this cell right here, which is D2, and I'm going to divide it by 900, okay, which is how many grams are in my spool. And it tells me that each gram of 3D printer plastic is 7 cents. So the only thing that you really kind of can't figure out right now is the mass of your keychain. Hopefully you got that information. If you didn't, let me know and I'll look it up for you based on the STL that you sent me and turned in. So you can see the mass of my keychain was 83 grams. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take down here in the total cost, it's my mass times my cost per gram. So my mass is 83 times my 7 cents cost per gram. So again, I'm going to use the formula bar equals my mass times, now that's an asterisk, it's shift in the 8 key, it's not an X. If you put an X in there, it won't work. So there's my mass times that number right there. Okay, so notice I'm using the locations for the formulas, I'm not typing in the numbers. And I'm doing that for a good reason. If I made a mistake and went back and changed this and I went, oh, it's not 83 grams, it's only 55 grams. My whole price, everything changes. I didn't have to do any extra work. So by simply using that formula and calling out whatever's in here, using those cell addresses, if you will, it's much easier to use a spreadsheet than typing in numbers every time. So hopefully this helps. Again, let me know if you have any problems.